In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to embed a smart form that adapts per user. Whether you're collecting information or guiding users through a personalized process, adaptive forms are essential for a seamless user experience. Stick around till the end because I'll share how you can follow along with this process using an exclusive free trial of the software we're using today, just for viewers of this channel. Let's jump straight into it. First off, what's a smart form? A smart form dynamically changes based on the user's input. This helps create a more personalized experience, guiding your users through relevant questions based on what they've already answered. Here's the simple process to get started. You'll need an embedded form service or platform that supports conditional logic. Now, you've likely tried a bunch of form builders, but today we're using our software. I've tested some of the most popular ones, but this one stands out for its simplicity and customization. In fact, you can get an exclusive free trial by following the link in the description below. Let's set up the form. Start by choosing a template or building your form from scratch. You'll want to add your main fields, such as name, email, and whatever else you need. Once those are set, the magic happens with conditional logic. To add conditional logic, click on the field you want to trigger the next action. For example, if someone selects yes to a question, you might want to show additional fields for further information. With the software we're using, all you have to do is select the if this, then that rule. It's super simple. Just choose what field you want to base it on and decide which question or field should appear next. Here's where things get really useful. You can set up multiple paths through the form. This way, if a user answers in a certain way, only the relevant follow-up questions are shown. It keeps the form clean, fast, and user-friendly. You can also add different rules for different users, tailoring the experience even more. Once your form is all set up, it's time to embed it into your website. Our software makes this easy. Just click on the Embed option and copy the code it generates. Paste this into your site's HTML where you want the form to appear. It's as simple as that. Your smart form is now live. Before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. To truly engage your users, you need a form that adapts to them. Smart forms help you collect information more efficiently while providing a personalized experience. It's all about keeping the process relevant to the user. To recap, you've learned how to set up a smart form with conditional logic, customize the user's experience, and embed it on your website. Remember, the software we've been using today is simple, powerful, and comes with an exclusive free trial just for you. Be sure to grab that link in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.